So people, it's 4:30 and I'm all set to leave. It's gonna be a long journey.
Unicorn Zombie Apocalypse.
People, this is Mulund Airoli toll. It's 5 and we are pretty much on schedule. That is Biker 390. This is bike, this is my bike, and we are on the way to Tarkarli. So that is like 550 kilometers, 532 kilometers to be very precise from here. And it's gonna be a hell of a ride. Let's go. So people, we are at this Indrayani hotel for our breakfast. It's been 3 hours we have started riding and we have covered 180 kilometers non-stop. It's cold people, it's cold. So we'll have snacks, we'll probably top up somewhere ahead and then we'll continue our journey. See you then. People, we have reached Karad almost, and this road you see, Bangalore highway, is such a bliss to ride. I swear, look at this road, it's so good. And we are 80 kilometers away from Kolhapur right now. We have just stopped by to stretch a bit, you know. We've been riding from last 130 kilometers something, so we just stopped to stretch. after reaching Kolhapur, we might have our lunch, and let's see you then. So people, we are like 18 kilometers away from Nipani, from where we will be taking the turn to Amboli Ghat. And I don't know if you can see light pillars over there. I guess he's got a minor puncture in his rear tire, but they're just checking if anything serious or not. We just fueled up, and surprisingly my bike gave 34 kilometer per liters average, and yeah, it's 410 kilometers till now. 420 kilometers, I'm sorry. By the way, that was biker 390 and you're all fucked up. That is the reason I'm not showing my face. By the way, that is the road, and more 20 kilometers to go for the lunch break. It's 1 o'clock, and see you then. Whew. People, after that minor hiccup of the puncture, we have reached here in like, I guess 8 hours something, or 7 hours, only you calculate. So it is the junction. The way we came from is the Bangalore highway, and we have to go this way. So yeah, we are a bit tired, and still twisty road full of twisties yet to come at Amboli Ghat. Let's see how we do it, and we're gonna have some food, chill for some time, then we'll leave. 3 hours worth of ride is expected still, but let's see. By the way, we just entered into the hotel, and everybody was looking at us like we are from the other planet. Chalo, we'll catch you later. So people, we are at the starting of Amboli Ghat. Look how peaceful this place is. Beautiful road and everything. It's I guess 5 or something in evening. We'll head out, we'll show you some scenes from this ghat. So yeah, we're done. So people, we are done with our ride, shower, and after that, we are gonna have something. We are a bit tired. We've been riding for like 12 hours, and I swear, riding pants and full shoes for 12 hours is a nightmare. And what all is numb, I cannot tell you. But the experience was awesome. The last 50 kilometers were horrible. The Mumbai Goa highway is horrible. You just don't want to go there in at least your last 50 kilometers. We will go down and we'll have something and we'll come early and we'll sleep. Just sleep. We are very tired. It was my very first ride of 550 kilometers, and it was an awesome experience. Awesome. Some roads were like awesome. So yeah, for now I'll go. Maybe I'll show you around if we have any energy left. Otherwise, we're done. We're done for the day. That is it for the day. We'll see you tomorrow.